Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're tackling a straightforward crypto task, transferring Solana from Kucoin to Bitmart in 2025. If you're new to this or just want a quick refresher, you're in the right place. Solana is one of the fastest growing cryptocurrencies, and moving it between exchanges like Kucoin and Bitmart can help you manage your portfolio better or take advantage of better trading opportunities. Don't worry, I'll walk you through this step by step, so you can do it confidently and avoid common pitfalls. First things first, make sure you have accounts on both Kucoin and Bitmart, and that your Solana is readily available in your Kucoin wallet. Start by logging into your Kucoin account. Once you're in, navigate to the Assets, or Wallet, section and find your Solana balance. Click on Withdraw next to Solana to begin the process. Now, head over to Bitmart and log in. Go to your Bitmart wallet and select Solana. You'll need to copy the deposit address. Double-check that it's for the Solana network, as using the wrong one could lead to lost funds. Pro tip: always verify the network type to ensure compatibility. Solana uses its own blockchain, so stick to that. Back on Kucoin, paste the Bitmart deposit address into the withdrawal form. Enter the amount of Solana you want to transfer. Remember to leave a little extra for network fees, which are usually pretty low for Solana transactions. Review all the details carefully, then hit Confirm, and complete any two-factor authentication if required. Once submitted, the transaction will be broadcast to the Solana blockchain. This is where patience comes in. Transfers typically take a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Keep an eye on your transaction status using a blockchain explorer like Solana's official one. Once it's confirmed, check your Bitmart wallet to see your Solana has arrived. A quick word of caution: always use the correct network and double-check addresses to prevent irreversible mistakes. If you're dealing with larger amounts, consider using a hardware wallet for added security. And that's it, you've successfully transferred your Solana. If this tutorial helped you, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto guides. Drop a comment below if you have questions, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe out there.